There are many benefits to using a night cream, including hydration, reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, and improved complexion. Today we're highlighting a liquorized night cream that can help with dark spots, improve complexion, and make your skin soft and supple. To prepare this cream, you need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that treat acne breakouts and sun damage and improve your skin texture. 1 tablespoon of licorice water. Licorice water has healing and soothing properties that prevent your skin from any damage. It also helps to fade away dark spots, blemishes, and pigmentation. 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Almonds are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant that helps to clear up your complexion. It also moisturizes your skin. To make liquorized water, follow these steps. Add 1 teaspoon of liquorized powder and 3 tablespoons of water to a pan. Boil the mixture until you have half of the original amount. Strain it when it cools down. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of licorice water, and 1 teaspoon almond oil in a bowl. Mix them until everything emulsifies, and transfer this cream into a jar. You can store this cream for up to 2 weeks. Use this cream regularly after cleansing for amazing results.